Hello, and welcome to Only Social. In today's video, we will dive into adding categories to your store. Remember, having well-organized categories can greatly enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Let's get started. From your e-commerce store dashboard, navigate to the Categories tab. This is where you can manage the different categories of products within your store. To create a new category, click on the Add button. Give your new category a name that clearly represents the products it will contain. This will help customers easily find what they're looking for. Adding a thumbnail image can make your categories visually appealing and easier to recognize. So, add an image that best represents the category. Enter a brief description of the category. This can include details about the types of products available under this category or any special features that distinguish it. Toggle on the radio button to set the category as active. This ensures the category will be visible to customers on your store. Don't forget to click Save to apply all your settings. You can add as many categories as you want or edit the existing ones to keep your store organized and help customers find what they are looking for easily. In the next video, we will continue with attributes, which will help further define the products within each category. This marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching.